Barry's owned a rental house for the past 10 years, Chuck. Every time the renters move out, Barry has to redo the entire house because of the damage that they've done. So Barry is wondering about creating an Airbnb and asked us in an email. Again, that's Bob at WeSellLouisville.com. In this email, he says, is there another way to do this? Could Barry go with creating an Airbnb instead of doing long-term rentals? What are your thoughts? Because there are some hitches here, right? Some hiccups.
I'm not exactly sure what the question is there, Bob.
Well, instead of renting out on a year-to-year basis,
Oh, okay. Just
creating an
go from a
Airbnb
long term to a short
to a
term.
short term, right?
Yeah, sure, you can do it, provided, you get with the city, you get all your licensing done, and, you find out, because they've now got areas that can and can't, and how far from
Mm-hmm.
another place.
Mm-hmm.
You can do it subject to those restrictions. Okay, so it's not a, oh yeah, sure, you can do it, definitely. It's a, yeah, if you fit all these qualifications. Thing is, the city's going to be able to tell you what those are and whether or not you can. So just get with them. But you're going to have the same issues. I have one client who turned a long-term rental into a short-term and is now going back to long-term because apparently the thing is people stole some credit cards, used it to sign up for the Airbnb. The credit card, of course, gets canceled, gets rejected after they've left, of course, and they left with all the stuff, the Keurig machine, the whatever. It just that seems to have hit 3, 4 times in a row.
So be careful. And there are some
Yeah.
changes coming along, like in New York. There's very difficult to do an Airbnb, and many people believe it's the hotels and the motel industry that's reacting and putting pressure on to get rid of Airbnbs because it's cutting into the motel and hotel profit. So keep an eye on that.